You can't catch us, Paxton. Dizzy diesels. Hi, what up? Paxton? Yeah? Why are you in a box? Because you still haven't unpackaged me. Oh. Well, let's get to that then. Hello everybody, it is me, the Great Western Scott, and today I am back. So, as you can tell by the last video I uploaded, I went to another railroad. I went to the Royal Gorge Railroad. It's basically just a passenger thing in Canyon, Texas. So yeah, that was awesome. And I ended up getting another item. I got an Easter Rosie, which I will be keeping in the packaging. Either that or I'll use it for a custom of a friend of mine. But yeah, let's get Paxton out of the box. Alright, Paxton, is that a little better? Yes, much. So yeah, I have, of course, the wheels are going to say 2003, but I don't know what version it is. But yeah, it would probably be better if I filmed this with a little more light, but hey, it's like 9:30, so yeah, deal with it. My Paxton has a little bit of a gap in between the cab and whatever this is called on a diesel, I don't even know. But yeah, this is a very nice model. I mean, obviously it's brand new because I just got it out of the packaging, but it's really nice. I mean, I think the Mattel face is slightly better, but the wheels on this one are better. Actually, I think this is, yeah, the wheels do say 2003. But yeah, Paxton is a British Railways Class 08. Like about half of the other diesels in this series. He's basically in a BR green livery, just with an added yellow stripe where, just behind where his ladders would be. And, his detailing is slightly transparent. Let's see if I can get it without the glare. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why this looks weird, I'm filming on an iPad. Can y'all see it? Yeah, you can with the glare. Okay, so yeah. But yeah, Paxton is really nice to have, because I can just use him for another, just another BR diesel. So I have gotten 3 new diesels on this trip so far. It's Den and Dart from the Colorado Railroad Museum, and this one from the, I don't know, from the Royal Gorge Railway gift shop. But yeah, so Paxton has red insides on his wheels, and actually he's very similar to the character Den from Jimmy the Gin Team in terms of livery and the wheels, because this represents the red coupling rods. But yes, he is very nicely detailed with the window and grate things, and then this little black patch on top, which I assume would be where a divot would be. And then his handrails are also very nicely printed. But yeah, Paxton, although a bit generic, is a very nice item to own. And yeah, I just decided to do a review on Paxton because why not? So yes, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!